If you want to add SSL to your GoDaddy domain, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. SSL is important because it helps secure your website, builds trust with visitors, and can even improve your site's performance in search results. So if your domain is hosted with GoDaddy and you want to enable SSL properly, you're in the right place. And before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this. First, open GoDaddy in your browser and sign into the account that manages your domain and hosting. This is important because SSL settings are usually tied to the hosting plan, not just the domain name itself. Once you're signed in, go to My Products. This section shows all of the services connected to your account, including domains, hosting, and other add-ons. Now look for your web hosting plan. Under that section, click Manage. This will take you into the hosting dashboard where you can access the tools needed to control your website's security settings. From there, open cPanel Admin. Panel is where many hosting features are managed, including SSL options, file management, email settings, and more. Once cPanel opens, the next thing you want to do is enable AutoSSL. AutoSSL is a helpful feature because it can automatically issue and renew SSL certificates for your domain, which saves time and helps prevent your site from showing security warnings. Inside cPanel, scroll down to the security section. In that section, click SSL/TLS Status. This page shows the current SSL status of your domain and subdomains. If the certificate is not active yet, or if you need to trigger the setup process, click Run AutoSSL. This starts the automatic SSL check and installation process. Depending on your hosting setup, it may take a little time for the certificate to be issued and applied. After the process completes, your website should begin using HTTPS instead of HTTP. If you want to confirm everything is working correctly, you can open your website in a new tab and look for the padlock icon in the browser. That little padlock means your connection is secure. If the site still doesn't show as secure right away, give it a little time and refresh the page. In some cases, DNSS or certificate updates can take a short while to fully propagate. It's also a good idea to make sure your website automatically redirects visitors to the secure version of your site. That way, anyone typing in the old HTTP version will be sent to HTTPS without any extra steps. If your site uses WordPress or another content management system, you may also need to update the site URL settings or clear your cache so everything loads properly. And that's it. You've now learned how to add SSL in a GoDaddy domain using hosting and cPanel. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and it makes a big difference in protecting your visitors and improving your website's credibility. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.